Hey y'all, I'm Kris, and this is It Worth It, y'all? And today, I screwed up. It's been a week, y'all, but I screwed up. But I screwed up in a good way. So I went to Sam's Club and bought some really cool bathing suits that they had, and I had a couple pieces that I was like, maybe not. I'm gonna go home and try them on, and then I'll bring them back. So that's what I did. I went home and I tried on a couple of the pieces, and I didn't like them, so I brought them back. And then what happened, while you're in Sam's Club and you return the stuff, so then you go do your little rounds, well, they had marked down the whole chickens down to $7 a piece. So yes, I bought 4. I mean, duh, they're $7 a piece. And let me show you. I bought what you call a Cowboy Steak. This thing is 3 inches thick, and we have now got it in the oven so we could brought it up to like 120 degrees because this thing is so massive. You ain't doing that in a pot. So now, Greg is sauteing onions and garlic. Hi, Greg. Tell YouTube hi. And now we're going to sear this thing off, and we are going to have the best leftover day that we have ever had, because you see that is all of the Easter leftovers that I forgot to film. Oh look, we even have leftover cookies from Easter. So he is taking that big old thing. Look at that. Oh my Lord, that's like a 3.5 pound steak. Wait. Oh, isn't that a beautiful sound? What is just like a beautiful sound. I promise y'all this is going to turn out good. It's going to make up for yesterday. See you on the next video. Bye, y'all.